Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Cadillac Q touchscreen, only way. Disconnect the battery and wait 2 minutes, then remove the trim panels gently to access mounting screws. Take photos of connector locations and use a labeled tray for screws to avoid confusion. Keep a soft cloth under the screen to prevent scratches and inspect connectors for corrosion or damage before proceeding with the repair. Start by confirming whether the issue is hardware or software by performing a factory reset and testing touch responsiveness. If the reset fails, remove the screen assembly and visually inspect the ribbon cable and connector for damage or poor seating. Clean connector contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab, then reseat the cable firmly and test before reassembly to confirm the problem is resolved. If you find this walkthrough useful, please like the video and subscribe to support more practical repair guides. Quick recommendation: check out those comfy socks I wear while working. They save blisters and keep me focused. You can find the link in the description along with other deals and parts references. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If diagnostics show a failed digitizer or damaged glass, replace the screen assembly with a quality replacement part and follow manufacturer torque specs for mounting hardware. Carefully transfer any brackets and sensors, reconnecting the ribbon cable with steady pressure until it locks. Power the vehicle briefly to test touch, display, audio, and climate integration before finishing the trim work, ensuring all features operate normally after the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.